Hi guys, so I'm currently staying at J Park Resort in Mactan, and I thought it'd be nice to do another what's in my bag video while we still have some afternoon sun. Although while I'm filming this, I don't know if you guys can see, the leaves are blowing around because there's a typhoon happening. So super thanks to J Park Resort for accommodating us this weekend, and I'll do a room tour later. So there's a time when everybody and their mom and auntie and ate, everybody had a Longchamp Le Pliage tote, and I went kind of crazy over these a few years ago. Well, more than a few years actually. This bag is very old. I think I probably had it for about maybe close to 10 years now, but it still looks new. I do take really good care of my things. It's just a few spots here that are showing a little bit of age. I did try to wipe it down, but I'm sure if I took the time to brush this off, then it could still be removed. So I used to think that Longchamp bags were really expensive, but I've put several of them through a lot of things, whether washing machine and placing them down on whatever surfaces, and it's just amazing how they can still maintain their shape and maintain their color and look brand new again, even if they've been slightly abused, or should I say well loved. On the outside of the bag, we have one of my many plushies that I've clawed from Time Zone. I think it's actually really fun that people have been decorating their bags a lot with plushies and all sorts of keychains. And that's the thing that I've clawed the most at Time Zone. So here's this little brown bear. Let's start with my journal. So I was just journaling for a little bit before I started filming. And here we have a pouch from Cebu Pacific that holds some masks. And yes, this is one of those prizes that they would give out before if you got the correct answer during one of their in-flight games. Next, we have the book that I'm reading. I'm almost at the end, and it looks super old. I think I probably bought this pre-loved or in book sale or something. The cover was so brittle that it's starting to fall apart, so I just covered it with some paper to try to hold it together. This is The Memory Keeper's Daughter. Next, we have this eyeglasses case, and yes, I am using it to hold my snacks. So this is a good idea. Instead of carrying a Tupperware around, it's more compact, but well, my Skyfix already got a bit crushed. But anyway, let's see, maybe this is helping my cream-o from becoming crushed cookies. Next, we have this Marc Jacobs pouch with lots of hearts printed all over it, and it holds my charger. So I do prefer carrying this around because I do bring around an iPhone and an Android phone with me. And this is a silicone case holding some earphones. I do of course have Bluetooth earphones as well, but I'm so lazy to charge them, so I actually prefer using wired earphones with my Android. And here we just have my card holder. It's from Charles and Keith, and it has my business cards inside, so I won't take it out and open it because it has my phone number and stuff printed on that. Next, we have this little plastic pouch, from Daiso, and I like that it's very slim and compact, and it has 2 compartments, so you can pretty much see what's in here. Misha oil control film, some candy. Behind that is a panty liner, which you don't really need to look at. I have a lip balm, or two lip balms. So one is a plain lip balm, DHC lip cream from Japan. And I bought this Nivea tinted lip balm in Bangkok. And I have a comb, and here I have my tiny Altoids tin, but it doesn't hold, oops, it doesn't hold Altoids, it holds more XO candies and some mints. I'm filming this one-handed, so I thought it'd be easier if I just pulled some stuff out from this pouch and showed you. So this super glittery pair of tweezers, I got this from Daiso in Korea. And this one, just a cute find from Shopee. It's a bag holder. So you unfold it like this, and then you hang it here on the edge of the table, and then your bag goes there. And then we have another little pouch. So yeah, it's a lot of little pouches to keep all this stuff organized, and this is just an affordable find. I think I got this for something like, I don't know, 40, 50 pesos maybe from Shopee. And if I did want to hang another keychain or another plushie there, then that's available. I do like that this has two compartments. In this compartment, I have a Maybelline pressed powder and another tinted lip balm, just something that I picked up from Watson's. And in the other compartment, we have some wet wipes, mini wet wipes, and a pack of tissues. Yes, okay, we're almost done. This bag fits so much. This is my brown leather wallet that I got from Metro. So I got it on an exchange deal for a campaign that I worked on with them. And I'm not going to open up the inside because my IDs and stuff are going to show, but I thought I would show you something interesting. This is a spell card or prayer card. So it's a chant, or I'm not really sure how to explain. I got it from a temple in Bangkok. If I can find the name, I'll flash it on the screen somewhere. But well, the monk who showed this to me couldn't speak English, but he said that you're supposed to put this in a bowl of water and then wash your face with the water while this card is in the bowl. So it's supposed to protect you from the evil eye or black magic and things like that. But I just thought it was a pretty interesting souvenir, and I'm sure it wouldn't hurt to have these protective talismans. And inside the wallet's zipper compartment in there, I carry my little aventurine moon, which my friend Jacqueline gifted to me. Hi Jack, if you're watching this. It's supposed to attract abundance and wealth, so I thought it'd be good to have that inside my wallet next to my currency. And lastly, we have this pouch that says good vibes only. This is it's a gift from my Tita Jo, and it holds some alcohol in a slim bottle. And we have some lavender essential oil, Tita Essential, and it's almost out. So I really enjoy using this before bedtime. So as we know, lavender is really nice for helping us sleep, and some of my friends do know that I have trouble sleeping at times and had insomnia for quite a while. Then we have this little glittery pouch that I think I bought from Shopee. And oh, we have another pair of tweezers here. A nail clipper because I'm always getting hangnails and stuff, no matter how much cuticle cream I use. We have this teeny tiny pair of scissors that I got from a sewing kit. We have a safety pin by Jessic, some toothpicks, and band-aids. Yeah, it's pretty messy in here because I just kind of threw everything in, trying to pack quickly for our overnight stay. So this is concealer. So in here I have some cologne. Nothing special, but I do like the fragrance. It's just something that I picked up in the supermarket. And the bottle is just upcycled, and I put a sticker on it because the original sticker label left, like, you know, this ugly uneven mark on it. So I just upcycled this from an alcohol bottle. And I have this eyeliner pencil from Bobby Cosmetics, and I just removed the price tag because I found it too distracting. But apparently I bought it at Pure Gold Supermarket for 100 pesos, even though yeah, you're supposed to be buying groceries at the supermarket and not makeup stuff. But I do actually quite like this pencil at 100 pesos. It's really smooth and pretty pigmented, but very easy to use. Like, there are some brow pencils that are either too hard and difficult to blend, or they're too soft and they just like smear everywhere. But this is just right, super easy to apply, and you get a lot of product. You get this entire pencil for 100 pesos. Now, I must always have at least 2 eyebrow pencils with me. So this one is from a Korean brand called Witch's Pouch. So I think most of us know that you can't really go wrong with Korean eyebrow pencils, right? Like, they're affordable and most of them work really well. There. And this one is from Essence. So this one's okay. It's a little bit too light for me, and it's a bit annoying that I have to sharpen it, but that's okay. Next we have Flower Beauty lipstick. I think a friend also gifted this to me, but I can't quite remember if it was this one or she gave me another one. But anyway, hi Celine, in case you're watching. Then we have a recent find. So we have Maybelline Fit Me Fresh Tint with SPF 50. I'm in the shade 3. So I'm not really sure if skin tints are like a new thing, or they're just a different way of calling like tinted moisturizer, but I would say that this one has more coverage than that. On me, it's more like a BB cream, so not bad. And I do appreciate that it has SPF 50 in it. Then I have this cream eyeshadow stick, just something that I thought was interesting, from Shopee, and it is in this shimmery pale pink color. Then I have a mini rosy tint from Benefit, little hair clip, hair tie, and lastly in this pouch we have this compact deodorant from Le Bear, which I got from their official Shopee store, and I thought it was pretty convenient to have this on hand in case you need to touch up, because I am quite busy on most days, and I try to apply this before I teach a yoga class. This does have some tint to it. If I can, oh, yeah, I've never dropped this, but it already cracked, and it has a mirror. So very convenient packaging, but so it's supposed to it's supposed to help your underarm skin tone look more even. So I'm not really sure about that, but it does work pretty well as a deodorant. So that's the inside lining of this pouch. And I have it's so old that it's yellowed, you guys. I have a Converse pin here and a little Polly Pocket pin because I super loved Polly Pockets when I was growing up, back when she was still like this size and before she became like a major choking hazard. So this looks just like one of the Polly Pocket compacts that I had when I was a kid, and honestly I still have it today, but yeah, I'm not playing with it anymore. It's just there for posterity's sake. And that is all the stuff that I have in my bag, and we will move on to the room tour. I was so amazed that J Park let me stay in this massive room because it is single occupancy. It's just me in here, and I have my colleagues in the next room. Over here where I was filming, it's the bar counter, and it has 3 seats there. There's even a microwave, there's a sink, there's the fridge and ice bucket, coffee and tea making station. And we have this huge living room. Hello. Here. And here is the closet. That's my actual overnight bag. And it does go through to the bathroom. So here is the huge living room that goes out to the balcony. And guys, it's only like 4 o'clock, but gosh, look at those storm clouds, huh? Rain is not very heavy, but the winds are pretty strong today. So we couldn't go on with our planned trip to Bohol because the trips were canceled because of this typhoon that's happening this weekend. Here's the balcony, and here is the room. I have a massive bed. Look at that. Here. And here I was just journaling over here earlier. Television. And here we have a huge bathroom with a his and hers vanity area. And there's a bathtub, you guys. I can't wait to get into this later. It's been a while since I stayed in a hotel room with a bathtub in it, so can't wait to take a bubble bath later. And yes, I do appreciate that they are no longer using those teeny tiny disposable toiletry bottles. You have them in larger bottles here that won't go to waste after just one use. There you go for the bath area. That's self-explanatory. And here, bedroom slippers. I've got a pair on my feet now.